Hi there, it's wonderful to see you today. My name is Alex and we'll practice English together. Our goal for this lesson is to hear, repeat, and improve your English step by step. Don't worry about mistakes, they are part of the journey. With patience and practice, your English will grow stronger. Now, let's begin slowly, step by step. Let me ask you something. Have you ever found yourself in a real-life situation where you needed to speak English, but you felt lost for words? Maybe you were at a cafe trying to order, or you were talking to a new friend, and suddenly your mind went blank. Your heart races and you wish you could express yourself clearly. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners feel this way, and today we're going to work through it together. In this video, we are going to explore how to learn English through real-life situations using slow listening practice. This approach is important because it helps you understand how English is used in everyday life. By the end of this video, you will know how to incorporate slow listening into your practice and how to build confidence for real-world conversations. But before we dive in, if you're excited about improving your English skills, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Join our wonderful community of learners and let's support each other on this journey. Step 1. Identify real-life situations. The first step is to identify common real-life situations where you might need to use English. These could include ordering food at a restaurant, introducing yourself at a party, or asking for directions. Knowing these scenarios will help you focus your listening practice on relevant conversations. For example, you could practice phrases for ordering coffee, like, "I would like a cappuccino, please." Visualizing yourself in these situations makes the learning experience more meaningful. Step 2. Find slow listening practice resources next. Look for audio resources that feature slow English conversations related to everyday situations. Podcasts that focus on dialogues or language learning are ideal. Some great sources are Slow Easy English or English Class 101, where the hosts often discuss real-life topics in a slow and clear manner. Choosing content that matches your interests will keep you engaged. If you love traveling, find audio about travel tips. If you enjoy cooking, listen to segments about recipes. Step 3. Listen actively when you start your slow listening practice. Make sure to listen actively. This means fully engaging with the audio without distractions. Pay attention to the words and how they are used in context. For example, if the dialogue includes phrases like, "Can I please have the menu?" Focus on how that phrase is structured. Think about how you would use it in a real-life situation. Step 4. Pause and reflect. After listening to a segment, pause the audio and take a moment to reflect on what you heard. Ask yourself questions like, "What were the key points?" Or, "What vocabulary did I learn?" This reflection allows you to process the information and solidify your understanding. For instance, if you heard a conversation about ordering food, think about the different phrases used. Maybe they asked for the daily special or a glass of water. Reflecting on these details will help you remember them for your own conversations. Step 5. Repeat and practice. Now it's time to practice. After listening, replay the segment and start shadowing, repeating what the speakers say. This way, you mimic their pronunciation and rhythm. For example, if the speaker says, I'd like to order the spaghetti. Pause and repeat it back. Focus on how they say it, including their tone and inflection. This practice helps your brain connect the sounds you hear with your speaking, making it easier for you to use those phrases in real situations. Step 6. Create your own scenarios. Think about how you can create your own real-life scenarios for practice. You can role play with a friend or even by yourself. Set up a situation where you might need to use English. For example, pretend to be at a restaurant. Practice ordering a meal or asking the waiter for recommendations. This not only helps with speaking, but also makes you feel more confident in handling real conversations. Step 7. Use visual aids. Using visual aids can enhance your understanding and make the practice more dynamic. Look for videos or images related to the scenarios you are practicing. If you are working on ordering food, find a menu online and practice reading it out loud. You might say, "I would like the cheeseburger," while looking at an image of it. This links the spoken language with visual context, reinforcing your learning. Step 8. Engage with authentic content. Engaging with authentic English content is another helpful step. This could be watching cooking shows, travel vlogs, or interviews where English is spoken naturally. Listen for real conversations about daily routines and experiences. As you watch, take notes on useful phrases. If you hear someone saying, "I usually cook dinner at 7 p.m., make a note of it, as this is a common expression you can use in your daily life. Step 9. Track your progress. To ensure your growth, tracking your progress is essential. Keep a journal of your listening practice. Write down the phrases you've learned, the videos or podcasts you've listened to, and your reflections on each session. For instance, if you practiced ordering food, jot down the key phrases you used and how comfortable you felt speaking them. Reviewing your journal can show you how much you've improved over time and what areas you want to focus on next. Step 10. Celebrate your achievements. Finally, it's crucial to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. After a week of practicing, reflect on your progress. Maybe you successfully used a new phrase in conversation or understood a podcast without needing to rewind. Acknowledge these milestones. They are signs of your growth. You might reward yourself with something small, like a treat or a break to enjoy your favorite activity. Recognizing your accomplishments helps keep you motivated and encourages you to keep pushing forward. Real-life examples. Here are some practical phrases you can use in conversations about daily routines and real-life situations. 1. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. 2. Can I see the menu, please? 3. I want to try something new today. 4. I've never been to that restaurant before. 5. What dish do you recommend? Incorporating these phrases into your daily conversations will help build your confidence and feel more comfortable expressing yourself in English. Confidence tips. To support your confidence while practicing listening and speaking, consider these tips. Practice in a comfortable environment. Find a quiet and familiar space where you feel at ease. This can help reduce anxiety while you practice. Take breaks when needed. If you feel overwhelmed, take a break and return to your practice later. It's important to stay relaxed and patient with yourself. Visualize success. Before you start speaking or shadowing, Take a moment to picture yourself speaking confidently. This positive visualization can help foster the right mindset. Strong closing. In conclusion, let's recap how to learn English using real-life situations through slow listening practice. Identify real-life scenarios. Find suitable podcasts. Actively listen, pause, and reflect. Practice through shadowing. Create your own scenarios. Use visual aids. Engage with authentic content. Track your progress and celebrate your achievements. Incorporating these strategies will help you improve your listening skills and build your confidence in speaking English. Thank you for joining me today. Remember that learning through real-life situations is an enjoyable and effective way to enhance your English skills. Each time you practice, you are building the confidence to converse naturally and fluently. As you continue on your journey, imagine how rewarding it will feel to share your daily life in English with friends and family, understanding and effortlessly participating in conversations. This goal is very attainable, and with consistent practice, you'll find yourself right where you want to be. Learning takes time, and it's completely normal to encounter challenges along the way. When you face those moments of hesitation, remind yourself of the progress you've made. Reflect on how much easier it has become to understand spoken English, and how each practice session adds to your skill set. The more you engage with the language, through listening and practicing in real-life contexts, the more fluent you will become. You are doing better than you think. Keep pushing forward and remember to enjoy every moment of your English learning adventure. As you reflect on your progress today, take a moment to appreciate the effort you've put into speaking and listening. Every practice session, every new phrase you learn, and every moment of engagement with English brings you closer to your goals. I want to congratulate you on your determination and commitment. Remember that learning English takes time and patience, but with each step you take, you are getting stronger. You are doing better than you think.